Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. Adding music to your WhatsApp status is actually quite straightforward. First, open the Status tab, tap the plus button to create a new update, then select the photo or video you want to share. On the editing screen, look for the music icon at the top. Tapping it will let you browse and add a track to your status. If you don't see the music option, it could be due to a few reasons. The feature may not yet be rolled out in your region, your app might not need updating, or your device or operating system may not support it. WhatsApp often gives you early access to beta users, so if you're not in the beta program, you may need to wait for the global rollout. Once updated and supported, adding music is as simple as selecting a track and posting your status, making your updates more lively and engaging. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.